right, did you get that photo you needed, Julie? Or, okay. Let me take one out anyway. You want to wait till you get the pretty Trump rally behind you? Or? Everybody, can you turn this way? Thank you. Wait. Okay. Got three.
Go back to Europe!
We did this no! We were being peaceful!
Immigrants!
Why are you here? Colonizers! About you! And you guys decided to show up for what? What are you so afraid of? Why are you so scared of us?
They could be on the crosswalk. This is not your home, man! Turn around! Colonizers!
You wanted this! You should crack out of your day and come here to interrupt us!
Colonizers! Colonizers!
Sorry! Did I help you, Amy? He's gone! Just like
Hey,
you
look!
should be!
They don't want you! They don't want your support! They're fucking cowards! Go back to Europe! Immigrants!
Oh my God! The fly's gonna get you! You should be ashamed of yourself! What are you guys for?
To anti-protest is us being here or what? What was the point? No, but we're trying to cross.
We are trying to, you know, come together. And so I don't know. I can't speak for them. We're here as Native Peoples Gathering. We're here standing in solidarity. We are, you know, this is nothing. We've been facing keep looking for Atlantis. Keep looking for Atlantis. And that's where I'm
Who got assaulted? I got video. Let me know. I got photos of their license plate.
A little bit what you witnessed today, right now.
I can't even get my breath first. Wait. Hold on. Oh, shit. Oh, man. Assault.
Yeah.
I never thought you had a peaceful protest. I mean, a peaceful rally. A rally.
It wasn't even a rally, it was a photo shoot.
It was a rally, and all of a sudden these Trumpers come out of the blue and screaming and yelling, go back to England, like crazy stuff. And then they drove into people. Just shocking. Shocking. Yeah, I gotta get. You gotta give me a minute. Get my breath.
This is the truck, right? Because I have the license plate. Isn't that the truck you did it?
Yeah.
What's your number so I can?
Okay, hold on.
I gotta go.